If you want to get the iPhone ringtone on Xiaomi 15 Ultra, we need to get a third-party app that allows us to get the iPhone ringtone. Therefore, I'm gonna go to the Play Store and let's search for iPhone ringtone. And of course, there are multiple different apps that we can use. In my case, I'm gonna choose this one and I'm gonna install it. Of course, feel free to try any other app if you don't like this one for some reason. But once we install it, we can open it. Of course, we will see some ads in the meantime, but we should be able to easily close them. Now, let's go to iRingtone over here at the bottom. We need to allow iRingtone to access music and audio, and we need to grant permission so that the app can actually change the ringtone for us. And then let's go back. So over here in iPhone, we should be able to find some ringtones. We can press the play button in order to check if it matches what we are looking for. So let's say I'm gonna choose this one. I can tap on the first ringtone, and then I can choose ringtone on the left side. Of course, we have an ad. Let's close it. There we go, and we have the information that's set successfully. So let's press OK, and we're gonna check if that is the case. So let's go to settings. Here, go to sound and vibration, and let's go to ringtone. Right now, it says that it is not changed. We have the original ringtone for now. But let's go to pre-installed ringtones here, and there is a different ringtone now. So it is called opening. So this is exactly the one that I have chosen. So it should be okay, but just in case, I'm gonna actually call myself in order to see if it is actually set up. So let me call myself and let's check if we get the ringtone. I forgot that I am in the D&D mode, so my bad, let me turn it off. There we go. And let's call. Unfortunately, it didn't work. Okay, that's fine. So if it doesn't work for you as well, then we can go to the ringtone. Let's choose once again pre-installed ringtones. Let's go to the ringtone. And over here, let's press this plus button in the bottom right corner, go to audio files, and you should be able to find opening. So let's select it, press OK. Yeah, this is the one. So now it should be set up. And once again, let's see if it works. Yeah, there we go. So that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!